Okay, hello everyone.
Hello, sir.
Morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay, before we start the lesson, let me introduce myself. My name is Galang. You can call me Mr. Galang. I am a teacher science for this class. Okay, before we start the lesson, let's make the moment to pray together. Donnie, do you have help me with the prayer? Okay.
Okay, guys, before we start the lesson, we will pray together. Pray, begin. Finish.
Okay. Thank you, Donnie, for your help. Before we start the class, I will check your attendance. Okay. Fiorentino,
Present.
Donnie,
Present.
Erka, Amel, Pascal, Arina, Melvi, Alma, Anggi. Okay, maybe I feel that Nadia is not come here. Okay, thank you for your. Thank you for your attendance. And do you know we have a new member in this class? I don't know. Okay. Second, do you have come here to introduce your class or yes, you come here? Okay. Thank you, Scott. Do you have introduce yourself?
안녕하세요. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. My name is Mas Muhammad, and I'm from South Korea, and I'm born in Seoul.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Marcel. Yes. Do you know Marcel is an exchange student from the South Korea? We have 6 months in here. I hope in this class you have being friendship with Marcel. Okay. Today we will study about energy. Maybe I will share with the screen. Wait a minute. Okay, everyone, do you know what we will study today? That's right. But I will have a question for you. Today, do you have breakfast? No. Where do you feel when you skip the breakfast? Hungry. And do you feel not have energy for today? Yes. Yeah. That's right. You will not have energy because your body need intake resource energy for the food. But the battery we will focus in energy. Do you know what about energy? Might be one word on the Fiorentino, do you know about energy?
Power.
Power. Okay, nice. Dodi, do you know about energy? Movement. Okay. And maybe Erika, you know what about energy? Food. Okay, nice. Okay, Amal, do you know what about energy? Okay. Maybe do you know what about? Okay, Arina, do you know? Force. Okay. Second, do you know? So that's right. Your answer is energy. I have my idea. Okay. And today we will study in depth about energy with photosynthesis experiment. I will define you about two groups. Before we start the experiment, I have game. Okay, you are the scan this code for join the game. I have secret reward for the top here this game. Okay, let's go. Do you have joined the game? Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Halo Nadia. Okay. Where are you from, Nadia?
From home.
Oh, okay. Maybe in the street you have a problem.
Rain.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Di tes tu ya, Nadia. Okay, Nadia, do you have scan this code to join the game? Can you do you have join the game?
Yes,
Are you ready for game? Okay. Okay, do you join this room or okay? Then apa join? Okay. Let's go. We started to game. Okay, are you ready?
ready.
Okay, let's go. Okay, and rupiah is related in you have a scrolling to guys. This one, your point is zero. Okay, Himalayan, who is Himalayan and Mel? And it's other point. But, oh, okay, that is south. They have other point. Okay, let's go, come here. Okay, now I have 2 points, Himalayan have 2 points. Okay, let's go. Aqua is only Himalayan. Wow, Salma. Please applause to Salma. And you have resource energy for me. I have this is resource energy for your listen. Okay. That's right, guys. Thank you for your participation about this game. Maybe after review your answer, I feel you have ready to experiment. Okay. Maybe before we start the experiment, I will explain about this experiment. This experiment that we have observation about in this experiment we have observation about how to plant photosynthesis. I will explain step by step to the experiment. The first, you have prepare about tool and material to experiment. The material we have to paper transparent type, after that hydrilla, after that water and baking soda and stopwatch and bank for the observation. So experiment that you have input the hydrilla into the paper. After that you have to treatment breaker A have sunlight exposure and breaker B not have sunlight exposure. You have waiting 15 minutes for the photosynthesis of cell. Do you have any question for the step-by-step to experiment? Okay, maybe I feel you are understand to experiment today. Let's go. We are in the get-out for the experiment because we need sunlight to experiment. Okay. Before we start the experiment, I will divide you into two groups. Group 1, Romadoni, Amelia, Erika, Nadia, and Andi. Group 2 is Kim, Sekal, Melvi, Salma, and Fiorentine. And Arik. Okay? Okay, let's go together, guys. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys. Let's start the experiment. Group 1. Group 2. Okay. We are okay. We start to please fire. We start to input a hydrilla to this bottle, and after that, okay, I feel this practicum is easy. That's right.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, this is group 1. Yes, that's right. Okay, do you have a question or might be difficult about this practicum? No, nothing. Do you have money bubble or no? Many. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, do your worksheet is complete or no? Okay, maybe after that you have explain about your worksheet in here. You have a presentation worksheet in front class. Maybe I think the first is through two. Okay, through two.
Question number 2. How is the relationship between light intensity and the rate of photosynthesis based on your experimental result? The relationship is generally direct one, meaning as the light intensity increases, the rate of photosynthesis is also increasing.
The question number 3. Why is photosynthesis important for living organisms? Because when photosynthesis produce the oxygen we breathe and the food we eat. Okay, that's all. Thank you for attention.
Okay, please give applause for group 2. Okay, next. Group 1, let's go.
It is from group 2 we want to explain about we from group 1 we want to explain about our experiment. Our experiment to observe the effect of sunlight on the photosynthesis in aquatic plant vitreola measured by the number of oxygen bubbles released. Material for our experiment is 2 liters of container, aquatic plant, vitreola verticillate, clean water, stopwatch, cardboard, pen, and observation sheet.
Because about the result of the experiment. From the experiment, because the condition of the experiment is exposure to light, the result is from 5 minutes we got bubbles that the symbol of plus, and after 10 minutes we got more bubbles. The symbol is like 3 plus, and for 50 minutes it is already more bubbles, and the symbol is with 4 plus.
Okay, question number 1 is mention factor that influence the rate of photosynthesis. It is sunlight, carbon dioxide concentration, temperature, water or humidity, photon. Question number 2, how is the relationship between light intensity and the rate of photosynthesis of the experiments? In photosynthesis experiment, the rate of photosynthesis increases like intensity increase until
all from our chat result. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, bro. But I will you is might be understanding about how to photosynthesis process to collect energy. I have videos for uh, the microscopy. Okay. Let's go. Okay, this video we have a plant. This plant make a bubble. This bubble is indicator for this plant have a photosynthesis process in microscope. Okay.
Photosynthesis. This footage is sped up in order to show oxygen bubbles growing. Photosynthesis is a process used by plants, algae, protists, and some bacteria to produce carbohydrates and oxygen from water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. Organisms use photosynthesis.
Yeah. In photosynthesis, we have maybe material for the photosynthesis. We have sunlight and water and carbon dioxide.
This is to create food for themselves in the form of carbohydrates. This is done by organelle cells called chloroplasts. We can see them moving inside these plant cells. They are in green-brown structures seen here. Chloroplasts can move around in order to 25 billion years ago. The Earth had very little oxygen in it. It was filled with anaerobic organisms until cyanobacteria came along. Cyanobacteria, which are photosynthetic bacteria, slowly produced oxygen over billions of years. The rising levels of oxygen slowly killed a large number of species on Earth and created a large extinction event. But this large extinction event helped set up the next stage of life: multicellular organisms and eventually animals. Photosynthesis is a very complicated but important process in biology. While all of the chemical processes of it can be clearly seen through a microscope, the oxygen produced at the end is, and when the footage is sped up, it produces very beautiful videos. So enjoy this biological marvel.
Okay, from the videos, do you know about energy for the photosynthesis? Do you have explain the energy for the when we are explaining about photosynthesis? Okay, Fiorentina, do you have explain about
Okay, sir. So from our experiment earlier and from the video, I think energy in photosynthesis is a complex matter because in photosynthesis the plant turn the light energy
Yes.
from the sun
Yeah.
into an energy in form of glucose
Yes.
that they need for the plant to start growing. So I think the energy in this is really complex.
Okay, nice. Nice. Okay, please applause to Fiorentina. This explanation about Fiorentina is that's right. Energy is complex process for the collect the energy in earlier we experiment is energy from the light of the sun in process in plant. We convert this energy from the glucose and oxygen is the plant is have overall energy. We have set the energy into fruit because fruit is feel sweet because the energy in plant is from the glucose or sugar. Okay. Okay, maybe class is time up. Thank you for your attention and I hope this experiment have helped you to understanding about energy. I'm sorry when I have wrong for you. And see you to next time. Bye bye guys.